In programming, a while loop is a control flow statement that allows us to execute a block of code repeatedly as long as a certain condition remains true. It's a powerful tool for iterating through data structures, performing repetitive tasks, and controlling the program's flow. However, without proper usage, it can lead to infinite loops, which can cause the program to hang indefinitely. To avoid this, we need to carefully design our while loop conditions and use loop control statements like break and continue. Let's create a simple example of a while loop that prints numbers from 1 to 10.
Python. Def print numbers. I1. While I10. Print I. I plus 1. Print numbers.
This code initializes a variable I to 1, and as long as I is less than or equal to 10, it prints the current value of I and increments it by 1.
Once I exceeds 10, the loop exits. Now, let's add some error handling to prevent an infinite loop.
We can use a flag variable to track whether we've reached the desired value.
For example, Python. Def print numbers. Max value 10. Current value 1. While current value max value. If current value max value. Break. Print current value. Current value plus 1. Print numbers.
This way, we can ensure the loop exits when it reaches the desired value.
This tutorial is brought to you by Malik Abualzait.